Alright guys, we got the Milwaukee mechanical pencil. Now I used the aux for a while. I've been using this Nick Pro, but I don't like that I have to take it out of my pocket to sharpen it. I do like that this sharpener is straight down. Same thing with this, I had to take out of my pocket. This looks like I'll be able to keep the clip on it, just twist it in there and get it done. Let's see. This is the first look for myself at the Milwaukee mechanical pencil, and I like it. It has a nice rubber tip here. Very nice. Feels good. And I do like that the sharpener's up here. Looks like I'll be able to... I got my Brunt pants on, which I am an absolute fan of. Best work pants I've worn, most comfortable. Oh, I got the Brunt boot sneaker, the comp toe. I do like those. I do suggest those. But yeah, this feels nice. Just another pencil, but I do like the sharpener being right there, so I can just sharpen quickly without having to... Okay, so it looks like the top comes off to reload it. Cool. But as I was saying, I can sharpen just like that and make everyone happy. Alright, that's the Milwaukee pencil. Comes with a 10-pack of refillable lead. Alright, that's it.